Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Snack English.
Hi, Adam. I am feeling very inspired today.
Inspired? Did you read a great book, Sarah?
No, I spent the morning dreaming, Adam.
Dreaming? But you were awake, right?
Yes, I was thinking about my future.
That is a very deep topic.
It is. Do you have big dreams, Adam?
I have many small dreams, Sarah.
Small dreams are good too. They grow.
What is your biggest dream right now?
I want to open my own cafe.
A cafe? Like a coffee shop?
Yes, but a very special coffee shop.
Tell me more. I am very curious.
It will be a language cafe, Adam.
A language cafe? That sounds amazing.
People will come to drink and learn.
Will they speak English there, Sarah?
Yes, English only at every single table.
That sounds like a lot of fun.
We will have books on every wall.
And very comfortable chairs, I hope.
The most comfortable chairs in the world.
Where will this cafe be, Sarah?
I want it to be near the beach.
Near the beach? That is my dream too.
We can work there together, Adam.
I can be the manager of snacks.
Perfect. You are the best for that.
When will you start this project, Sarah?
I am saving money every month now.
Is it a very expensive dream?
It is, but I am working hard.
Do you have a plan on paper?
Yes, I drew the kitchen yesterday, Adam.
You are very serious about this, Sarah.
You must be serious about your dreams.
I worry my dreams are too big.
No dream is too big, Adam, truly.
But what if I fail, Sarah?
Failure is just a part of the trip.
That is a very brave thought.
You learn more from failure than success.
So I should just start my project?
Yes, start small, but dream very big.
Start small, dream big. I love that.
My father always told me that, Adam.
He was a very wise man, Sarah.
He really was. He believed in me.
That is why you are so confident.
It helps to have people who believe.
I believe in your language cafe, Sarah.
Thank you, Adam. That means a lot.
I can see the sign now. Snack Cafe.
That is a great name.
We can record our podcast there.
Yes, with a live audience every day.
Whew, now I am getting very excited.
You see, dreaming gives you energy, Adam.
It really does. My heart is beating fast.
That is the power of the future.
I want to travel the world too.
That is a wonderful goal, Adam.
I want to see the mountains in Japan.
Oh, Japan is beautiful in the spring.
And I want to learn Japanese too.
You can do anything you want, Adam.
Do you really believe that, Sarah?
Yes, for you, the sky is the limit.
The sky is the limit. That sounds beautiful.
It is my favorite phrase for dreams.
We must explain it to everyone later.
We will. It is a very positive idiom.
Sarah, let us help our listeners now.
I am ready. Let us share the energy.
They have big dreams too, I know.
Let us practice talking about them now.
Listeners, are you ready to speak?
Stand up and look at the sky.
Imagine your dream is coming true today.
Repeat after me with a happy voice. We will start very short now. I have a dream. I have a dream. Good. Now let's add more. I have a dream for my future life. I have a dream for my future life. Excellent. Now the full professional version. I have a dream for my future life and I will succeed. I have a dream for my future life and I will succeed.
That sounded very powerful, Sarah.
I felt the strength in your voice.
Our listeners are ready to win today.
Dreaming is the first step to doing.
Sarah, let us talk about your idiom.
You mean the sky is the limit?
Yes. Is there a roof on the sky?
No, no roof today, Adam.
Then what is the real meaning?
It means there is no limit at all.
You can go as high as you want?
Exactly, like the endless sky above us.
So I can be anything I want.
Yes, if you work for it, Adam.
Why do we use the sky for this?
Because the sky has no end, right?
Right. It goes on and on forever.
So your success can go on forever too.
For her career, the sky is the limit.
Perfect. You used it correctly, Adam.
Can I use it for my English skills?
Yes, for your English, the sky is the limit.
I want to be a master speaker.
You are getting closer every single day.
I feel very happy and inspired now.
Good. Keep that feeling in your heart.
Sarah, do you have any more tips?
Write your dreams down on paper.
Does that help them come true, Sarah?
Yes, it makes them feel real, Adam.
I will write Snack Cafe tonight.
I will write it too, in blue ink.
Blue is a very lucky color.
Well, our snack is almost over.
Oh, time flies when we dream big.
It really does. I had a great time.
I hope our listeners feel inspired too.
I'm sure they do. They are stars.
Remember to dream every single day.
Yes, don't let anyone stop you.
You are the boss of your future.
Exactly. Just keep moving and keep dreaming.
Before we go, please subscribe to us.
Yes, join our Snack English family now.
Click the like button if you enjoyed.
It helps us help more dreamers globally.
What should they write in the comments?
Tell us one big dream you have.
Do you want to travel or start a business?
I want to read all your dreams. Thank you for listening to Snack English.
You guys are truly wonderful students. We will see you in the next snack. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.